What's up? It's Southern Smoke Boss again. As you see, hey, I'm still down right now, still on the crutches. The doctor put me on the air cast now, so but I can't stay away from the grill. That's probably my #1 problem right there. So today we got some beef oxtails picked up from the local market. Got a little olive oil, got my famous dry rub. So I'm gonna oil them down in olive oil. We gonna smoke them on smoke them with some pecan wood. See, I got the chimney back there, rolling, getting lit up on the old Oakley Joe. I'm just gonna cover them on up with seasoning, mix them up with my hand, get down and dirty with the meat. Oh, that was a big chunk. See, I'm running out of rub. I'm gonna have to make some more. Been making. Everybody been want to try it out, you know. Trying to get my name out there a little bit. So, when they ask, I just give it to them. But hey, soon we gonna have to stop. You know, they cutting in on my supply. Oh, off that tail. All the little baby ones. Okay. You just want to fill them on up with seasoning. Cover them up well. Excuse me, you hear a little noise in the background. That's just my mini me running around out here. Nice warm day.
About that one that's crying ain't your mini me?
Nah, not the one that's crying ain't mine. That's the neighbor. But that you may hear talking mine, talk all mine. Up and run around and do for themselves. You know, but look at that, nice. Then we throw them bad boys on. Today we go taking rub them down with some dry rub. Then once they halfway done, after about 2 hours, we'll go ahead and put them in a pan with some onions, green peppers, barbecue sauce, and about a stick of butter and let them cook and cover them up with foil. Let it finish on up first. But now we're about to simmer, let some of that fat cook off. Hey, let me go ahead and get this fire rig right. Heat, cold, warm. Oh, she pretty hot too, so be careful if you got one of them. Or you thinking about getting one. Go ahead and place these coals over in there. Look, they nice and hot. Got my door open over there, so you just grab that button, let them go. Let them go. Okay, so I'm gonna go up under the smoke so I can dodge it. Put them oxtails on them. Temp sitting at about 250 right now. Hey, we tried them last time and the beef broth was so good. We had to cook them again. Just had to. Well, our oxtails been going for about a good hour and a half. We're gonna come out here and spritz them with see them getting nice. Spritz them with a little apple juice. We'll come back in about another 45 minutes. And we'll go ahead and put them in our pan with the sauce. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours they've been on. So we'll go ahead and I got some onions, green peppers, a little apple juice in the bottom of there. We'll go ahead and place them in here. Nice like that. Should get some good flavor. Look at that go. This is our time to go ahead and let them slow cook. So we'll go ahead and spritz some a little. A little apple juice. Usually use apple cider vinegar, but this time I'm going for that barbecue taste. So we got some apple juice, some of that fresh homemade sauce. So they get a nice glaze. We'll go ahead and put them on, cover them up with the foil, and let them cook on down for a couple more hours. I want them to be still nice and tight so they steam. There's lots of steam in there. Let's get ready to put them back on that grill. So, it's been about an hour. We'll go ahead and check on our oxtails, see how they doing, see how they coming along.
Man, I was gonna put the
Go ahead and wrap them back up, let them keep cooking. Let me get a fork and flip them over a little on the other side.
department. Department? That one's called, don't say, department. That's like a shortcut.
See that perfect, cause right around it like that. That's just that fat. Did I flip this one?
Hey! Everybody go come in the video, cause I'm in the video and don't do that. What's that be my name? You watched You have watched me. No, you have to me. But you have to try if you can.
So we just pour the oxtails off. What you guys think? What you guys think? Look at that, looking nice and pretty. Good. Oh. We got something. We gonna have some good eating. So I went on ahead and cooked these up, but they really gonna be for tomorrow for Sunday's best, which that probably when you guys will actually see this video. Hey, but thanks you guys for checking out the video. More videos coming daily. I told y'all we'll be a lot more now that I'm back for a good brief time, hopefully. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment. Hey, let me know some great ideas is out there. Let me know some you might want to see. Hey, peace out.